I always wanted to be a veterinarian ever since I was little. I was that kid that like brought home the stray kittens and annoyed my parents by like trying to entice all the stray cats in the neighborhood to come to our house and feed them milk and stuff like that. So it's just always something that I wanted to do. I went to undergrad in Connecticut, and then I sought some warmer weather and I went down to the University of Florida in Gainesville, where I did my master's and my doctorate. I actually did my master's degree working with horses and just changed gears to do small animal, which is what I kind of always intended to do. I came here straight out of my internship, so I actually finished my internship in 2009 and came here directly after. I always wanted to do emergency work, and I wanted to work at a really big specialty and referral practice, and there aren't that many of them, so I was lucky enough to land here. We see a lot of like trauma stuff, so hit by cars, lacerations, dog fight wounds, stuff like that. But then we also see a lot of just like the really sickies that couldn't wait to see either their local vet or one of our specialists. So we see a lot of, you know, kind of a little bit of everything, which is what I like about emergency medicine. I find that the animals are kind of similar wherever you go, but my favorite thing here is my coworkers. We have like an amazing cohort of emergency doctors that are all really lively. They all keep a good sense of humor, and especially in emergency medicine, as you can imagine, it can be really difficult and emotionally draining because you have a lot of really sick animals, a lot of which are dying or being euthanized. And I think having a good group of people around you that can keep a sense of humor really helps from getting burnt out, and it makes this job a lot easier and a lot more enjoyable. I mean, obviously a lot of us get into this because we like animals, right? That's kind of a given. But it's actually a really kind of people job, and so I think that a big reason why I like it is that I'm a people person, not just an animal person. And I think that that's really important because a lot of your job is, you know, advocating for the animal, but you're also really have to work with clients to help them through some of these really emotional decisions and, you know, kind of work that out with them. So it helps to be a people person and not just an animal person.
Boy, you're a good boy.